everyone, welcome back to Tohac's channel. So today I would like to show you the tutorials how to make a video go backwards on Capcut by iOS. So here I already have the video that I want to change it to backwards. So first thing, just simple way, make sure the video is in active sections. When it's active, there are some options below that we can choose. Just scroll into the left side. Scroll to the left side until you find the reverse options. Now you just need to click the reverse options and wait until it's 100%, and now your video is already being backwards. So let's have a try. As you can see, it's going backwards. So that's for the tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.